guys, welcome back to kimoevlogs. We are now in Italy, but where in Italy you may ask? We are in
Lake Como.
Lake Como. This is another place in Italy that Kim's always wanted to come to.
I love Italy.
So we made it happen. We've got an amazing hotel. We'll show you a little bit of B-roll of that in a minute. But yeah, we're gonna be here for the next few days. So if you like food, if you like scenery, if you like boats, this is where it's at. So we'll see you in a bit. Yo, so before we do head out, what are you wearing today?
I am in a cute little black dress. This one's a H&M number. I've got some old Topshop sandals. And to go with this, accessory wise, I've got my Celine sunglasses that are nice and black.
Ooh.
To go with outfit, and I've got my Mun basket bag.
Nice.
Cute.
Nice.
And what are we wearing today?
So today I'm wearing this Zara woven shirt. I did get it in a size large just so it's a bit more oversized, off the shoulder type cut. And I've also got this basic Uniqlo vest and these Uniqlo linen trousers, which I did get taken up same day tailoring at Uniqlo. So a big shout to Uniqlo and the infamous Jesus Creepers, the Birkenstock, just because it's hot out here and obviously I want the toesies to get some breathability.
We are matching. Not deliberately. You just copy me, don't you?
Sometimes.
Anyway.
Alright, let's do it in a bit. I just saw her put a whole tub.
It's really good. The pasta's perfect. It's al dente, but really good. Currently seated outside a pizzeria. The sun's going down because it's almost sunset. We've actually done so much since we've been here. We're actually staying in Bellagio, that's where we are currently, and we spent the whole day walking around. We had a lovely pasta, which you would have seen B-roll on, gelato. Went back to the hotel just to chill a bit, and now we are a bit hungry, so we're having some pizza. We've ordered a pizza between us and some mozzarella, can't wait to explore the rest of Lake Como.
Right guys, the dinner has come and we have ordered as a sharing platter anyway. Pizza with mushroom, artichoke and obviously cheese and tomato. We wanted to go veggie route, so we actually asked them to remove the meat. You cannot come to Italy without getting a capri salad, tomato with mozzarella and basil. I think we're going to take our time, but we've actually got a reservation at a bar in like 15 minutes. I'm sure we can deal with this pretty quick, wherever we go.
No, I'm normally quite careful actually.
Good morning guys, welcome back to kimoevlogs. It is the next day here
Day
in
2.
Lake Como. We are actually getting on a boat, so we're at the port of Lake Como where you get all of these boats etc. Platform 2, we are going over to
Verenna.
Verenna. So what we're going to be doing over there, we're going to be visiting 2 villas, so we're going to let you know how we get on there.
Yeah, they're meant to be really, really pretty, so
Yeah.
I can't wait.
But as it stands, we're just waiting for our boat, which comes in about 18 minutes. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
Hi guys, a bit about the ticket. We are staying at Hotel du Lac. So if you can find that hotel, the ticket office and the ferry port is directly opposite, so you can't get lost. So we've arrived here early. It opens at 8 o'clock. I think there's ferries before that, so you probably need to get tickets before. But I would say arrive 30 minutes before your boat's meant to depart. You get to the ticket office. It's really quiet this time. It gets manic later on. But yeah, a return ticket, so we're going to Verenna and back, is $9.20, I believe, return. And you can literally jump on any boat, so there's no certain time stamp, so you're free to go as you want and then back again. Anyway, that's it. Waiting for our ferry now. It should take about 10 more minutes.
Here's a quick BTS. I like to use a high shutter speed to capture all of Kim's movements, so that way we can filter through the ones she likes and the ones she dislikes. This way it saves loads of time and energy, and oh, don't forget to go on her IG page. 3, 2, 1.
This is the iconic spot that you see all over Instagram. Top tip is to come here first thing in the morning to take those individual photos before the queues start piling. Guys, we have reached the Instagram famous spot. There is literally a queue of people, and if you look here, you can see why. Look how gorgeous it is.
So guys, we've just visited both of the villas, Monastero and Cipressi. Out of the two, for me personally, I preferred Monastero. I just think there was more to see, there was more statues, more views.
There was a famous bit in Cipressi where people were eating breakfast. It had like arches, and I thought it'd be nice places to take pictures. I'm not allowed to access that unless you were staying at the hotel.
Oh, is it? Is that what it was? Oh, that's great. Thank you so much. Grazie. Yeah, and so just to freshen up, we basically come to a small little cafe stroke bistro here in Verenna. I think we wanted to get a quick lunch, a small bite before we head back over to Bellagio. The portions here are massive, so
Yeah,
this is why. Yeah, otherwise if we got 2 of those, I think I'd be a bit full.
This is, what did we get? We got a pesto lasagna. Never had one of those before. So. Hey guys, we are at a docking.
One of the private dockings.
We have booked ourselves an hour tour. He's just arrived. It's really exciting, so we better go. Anyway, that should be good. Bye.
Morning guys, we are here in Lake Como.
Day 3.
We are still in Bellagio. Today we are going over the other part of the island called
Lenno.
We are going to be going to a very famous villa called Villa Balbianello. We'll let you know why it's famous when we get there. Let us get on this boat and we'll see you in a bit. We have finally got over to Lenno, and if you can see just over here, that's where we got off, and it's about a 3 to 4 minute walk all the way to here. You end up at this little sign that says service boat for shuttle boat to Villa del Balbianello. So yeah, always look out for that sign. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Right guys, we are back at Villa Balbianello. Anywho, the reason why we're here is because this is a very famous villa, and you might have seen this villa in Star Wars movie.
You're a fan, aren't you?
Yeah, and if you're a fan, this is like a massive fanboy time for me. I'll try and insert one of the clips here to show you which part is in the Star Wars. But yeah, this is a very beautiful villa with a lot of heritage, very well groomed as well in terms of the landscaping.
So
really beautiful.
And guess what? I've just bumped into an Instagrammer that I follow. That was nice. I went into a clip here.
And it's quite nice, you know, it's still nice. I think they do a lot of knobs off, a lot.
Oh, that's lovely. But yeah, always nice to say hello to people that you follow online. So
Yeah. We're going to keep on exploring and we'll come back to you in a bit.
got the taxi boat on a return journey, but I decided it's very nice to walk to the restaurant that I booked for lunch. It's about a half an hour walk. Might not thank ourselves later doing that. Anywho, it's very scenic. I'm very parched. Say hi. Anyway. It's our last night in Lake Como and we're off to dinner. We've reserved a restaurant called La Punta, which is...
It's an 8-minute walk from here.
We had a quick change. My outfit earlier was quite uncomfortable actually, so I'm recycling what I wore another day. The sun is going down. Are you hungry, B?
I'm hungry, yeah. I can eat.
Well, let's find our way and we'll see you at the restaurant.
We are at La Punta. Yeah, there you go. Where this is situated is literally right at the top of Bellagio. So literally where you see those two people over there is the very tip of Bellagio. To your right you'll have Verenna, and to the left you'll have Monastero and Lenno, that side. We're gonna order a few bits. To be honest, we have got a bit of an appetite. Yeah, and as normal we'll show you what we eat.